Dirty, rude boy. Raw and uncut, nigga. And I don't even right, nigga. Picture that. Check it. I got a Mac for you niggas and I ain't talking about computers. You talking tough, nigga, I introduce you to my shooter. I have a couple young niggas slide through and do ya. Hanging out the side of the coupe with them Ruger, side on with them Rugers. Yup, that's how they do ya. I send a nigga through a nigga to get through to you. You must don't know what my hollows would do to you. Have your family crying over you at your funeral. Nigga, I been doing this shit since Pac was out. No, scratch that. I been doing this before Pac was out. I'm a real nigga, which means I'll watch your house, wait for your moms or your pops to come out. Then we can pop it out or do whatever for the cheddar. You say you gon' go hard, well, I'ma go better in any weather. I'ma get cash, keep a bitch with thick ass who say she wanna get dick fast and get dick slow. Like keep a gun mask, make these niggas get low. Like Black Rock. Whoa, keep a chopper with 100 shots, and niggas know I'ma break them all proper, at least 100 blocks. Niggas know how I rock, like I'm DBC, like YNS, I damn sure ain't stressed like Ron Artest. Niggas know I'm a nut. Whip up in a new truck with a brand new slut. Niggas say they want the beef, you know I'm tearing shit up. Army for cheese, nigga, you know I lay in the cut with you pistols. Guess it's safe to say I got issues. Pick one, which gun? Guarantee you I kill you. Welcome to Detroit, bitch, nigga, this is the zoo. Call my nigga JP1, my nigga Big Gun 2. FEG uncut. Hey yo, Henry, what it do? We winning over here, nigga, making them a power move.